Hi everyone, it's Miss Hazel and Miss Kate again. Today we are going to make simple paper hand puppets. So Miss Hazel's going to show you the folds. First you take your plain piece of paper and we're going to imagine that we can fold it into thirds. Miss Hazel drew the lines of thirds in there. Thirds means it's in 3 parts. So she's going to fold approximately, because remember we don't have to have anything
Doesn't
perfect.
have to be perfect.
And then using that, then she's going to fold it right
Fold
over.
that one. And then on top of that third, we're going to do that. So now I'm in 3 pieces. I folded one in, then I put the little guy on top of it. Okay.
Now,
yeah, if you really were having trouble, you could get some big sister or grown up or somebody to help you so you know what 3 parts looks like. And you're learning math at the same time. Okay, now you want to take the outside side and you're going to fold it. You're going to fold this in half.
so you turn it over. So
Turn it over and fold it in half. But you want the outside side to have the loose corner. That side's going on the outside. Okay, so you fold it in thirds. And now,
fold it in half again.
fold it in half.
Okay,
And
now,
those guys, this guy is going to come out.
back in half again.
Back in half again and turn it over. So now,
So what does it look like when it's all folded like that, Miss Hazel? Does it look like a Z when you open it up? Or a Z?
W.
A W. Now it looks like a W.
W
That's what you
or
want.
an M. M, W, crazy Z.
Well, it's backwards for us, but
okay. All right, now this is your puppet, believe it or not. Now you've got these little pockets here, and you put your fingers inside those and go, hello, Miss Kate.
hello.
But now I need
plain
a face. Oh, my finger needs to go. Now I need a face.
Okay, so now we're going to pull over the one that we already did. This one
This
has a
guy.
face.
A simple face.
Yeah, so little eyes and some hair and a mouth at the top and the
Hello,
bottom.
Miss Kate.
And isn't she cute?
Okay.
Now, if you're feeling like you're ready to make it more fancy or
Yeah.
add more details, now you need your scissors and a glue stick and then your crayons or markers, whatever you're going to use, because now you can add things to it.
Okay,
We
Miss
have-
Kate, this is a fancy guy.
Okay, here's one that we made. See, it has eyes, so sort of a dragonish. Eyes and some crazy ears and a split tongue coming out. Those were all glued onto this after they were colored.
So, we're going to show you how to make those eyeballs. You're going to find a little scrap of paper, like this. Doesn't have to be very big. Scrap. Don't use a fresh paper, use scrap. Remember, paper comes from trees. Okay, and then fold that little piece of paper in half. You want to make sure that your ears are the same. And
eyes.
your eyes are the same. And then I'm going to draw my pencil and I'm going to cut it out. This is so both my eyes are the same, unless you're making some kind of monster and you don't want your eyes to be the same. Cut the bottom. Now I have two eyes. And if I was going to decorate them, I'm going to make my eyes yellow. Ooh. Color it in.
Hard to see with all that light. Right?
Okay, and then when you're ready to put it on, you're going to make a little fold. And you're going to put your glue stick right there. Put your glue from your glue stick. And then you're going to stick it on. Facing out. Remember which way your puppet's going. And then you glue your eye on like that.
Oh, that's
And
so
then Miss
fun.
Kate made some horns and a tongue. And then colored it in. You could also make your puppet with colored paper if you liked. You also could make a dragon with one. You're very creative people. I know that you could find some fun thing to do with your little hand puppet.
And then you can put on a show at your house because we're all home and we need to be entertained at all times.
Exactly. So you could invite everybody at the dinner table and say, "Hi, friend. How was your day at school today?" "Well, Well, it was kind of the same because I was back on the computer again. And there you have it. Little hand puppets.
Bye, everyone.
Bye,
See you tomorrow.
everybody. Ah, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.